Hi! So, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Yung last video ko, 3 weeks ago na siya. So, baka mga 4 na yun talaga. Quick life update. I've been very busy nitong November. I've been trying to i-gets yung flow or rhythm ng work, and it's been difficult, like lesson planning, and I was also not in the mood to vlog. Just a busy month, but it's almost at the end of November. Oh, by the way, I heard from someone I know who is currently applying for next year. So the new batch, the incoming batch for next year, I think they're already done with the interview with the Spanish education advisor. I'm not sure if tapos na lahat ng partner schools, but they already started, and I think there are a lot of applicants. So I'm not sure if they will open to the public. I have no idea. I'm not updated with the application anymore. Na-update lang ako kasi may kakilala akong mag-a-apply. So yun, tapos na siya sa interview niya, and I think yung result will be next year, so January. So you might want to check that out if you want to apply. I think that's the only update when it comes to the language assistant stuff. And also, if you watch this vlog and my previous vlogs, especially with the visa requirements, they've changed. I think you need to translate a few documents. Like before, we didn't have to do that, but now you need to. I think siguro i-inform naman kayo ng Spanish education advisor or the embassy. Maybe it will be on their list of requirements. So yeah, just take note na nag-change na yung mga requirements. Hindi naman yung requirements, may mga nag-iba lang or nadagdag, ganun. Hi! So I just arrived in school and last day of the week. So I'm so excited to finish today. I think I will meet them in the center later. I forgot if I included this in my previous vlog, but I love this so much for Jolly Phonics. Hi! Bakit naman ang mukha mo? Welcome back to another video. No, hindi, another day lang, part ng video. We're in Chamartin. We were supposed to go to Retiro today to take pictures and look at the autumn trees, ganyan. Pero as you can see, I don't know if you can see, there you go. So gloomy, medyo rainy. The past 2 weeks has been really sunny. Pero this week, no? And next week, I think next week, kasama next week. Oo, magiging rainy siya talaga. We're waiting for Jana and Chris. And then, later tonight, we have a dinner reservation with Aubrey and Noemi. Nag-watch kasi sila ng movie, so magdi-dinner na lang kami. Hello! They're here na! Hello. Pero, ayun na, umexit na kami kasi parang hindi kaya. Ha? 1 hour and a half yung waiting, or like an hour. Kasi ang daming bata. Parang family day nila, ganon. Check namin yung roller skates dito sa isang side. So, we'll see. Hala! Hala, hindi tayo nag-stop. Ay, change of plans, everybody. So, pupunta na lang kami sa may di ba tayo? Okay, so medyo gutom na kasi kami. Tapos yung dinner reservation namin 8 PM pa. Kakain na lang kami ng something small. Tapos mag-iikot na lang kami sa Sol kasi parang wala talaga kayong pupuntahang malalaro. Oh no! Charot lang. Hindi sila nakatap ng maayos. Yung kaba ni Tetay nararamdaman ko. Natawa kami kasi akala ko joke lang na hindi kayo makapasok.
Oh my God. Feeling of dahil si June.
Oh my God. They're building the Christmas tree. Fairness, ang bilis na, no? Eh, actually, no. Kasi kahapon nandito kami, tapos parang 2 layers lang yung nadagdag. Pero, mabilis na sila. Oo, well, sa Friday pa naman yan next week. So, abot sila. Ganyan.
Grabe, ngayon lang ulit ako nakapunta dito.
Nang Sol.
Hindi ako kalamay.
Ano yan? Parang talabang, no?
Tahong?
Tahong pala. Tapos ito yung parang kagaya sa atin.
Ano kaya ito, chupito?
Baka parang small squid. Oh. We're gonna try.
Not to be dramatic, but I wanna be.
That's and I ordered calamares. Share kami. And she got yung calamares din, pero bocadillo, yung parang sandwich. Si Tim din ganun. Yeah, si Kachi din. Ay, hindi mo po. Kanina pa kasi yung nandito. Or maybe we can sit down.
Ay, no, tiri mo, try mo.
Hindi nga. Patingin. Ooh.
Pinapay na may calamares.
Yes, exactly. Dito lang kami sa small corner kasi ang daming tao.
Pwede na. Pwede mo, this
Lasang
for crunch.
That's your first daw. Hindi din ako naggaganyan eh. Ikaw, what's your review? Ano lasa?
Puro tinapay na kain ko.
Ano ba yan?
Walang agad tinapay
Ito
agad.
kami. Sarap to sa inuman, no? Kalamanay sa beer. Oh my God. Grabe, ang daming tao. Kikitain na namin sila, Bree. Dun siya may sakayan. There they are. Hello! Noemi! Hi, teacher!
Ang sabi ng quote mo siya. Nasa TV na ako, Nay. Nasa TV ako.
We're in a Mexican restaurant na ni-recommend ng friends ni Noemi. Her international friends. It's so cute naman!
Ganda lang. Late na po tayo.
Ganda dito, so cute. Oh nga, ang nice. The place is so cute. Grabe. Mexican kung Mexican. So inspired. Sabi ni ba yung mga isang oras pa kami nag-order?
Tinawanan ako kanina. Sabi ko kasi meron na gano'n sa
Dito, parang may ganyan. And then, you have to make your own. Unlike sa other restaurants na ready-made, dito ikaw yung maglalagay. So
Bakit yan walang ano? Walang lime?
Walang lemon? Yeah.
Lime.
Di madami pa.
One more time, you have to show it. Uy, bien!
Gusto kami mag-dinner. Lalakad kayo papuntang Caditos. Jana's favorite place. Ito yung ganun.
Bakit nagtira na yung munta dito sa Vicalbo?
Ay, forgot?
Ay, ginagawa.
Medyo chili.
Recommend ko pa naman yun doon sa Singaporean. Tapos wala ka. Anong, like ka? Oh, like ka. Ano sinabi ni Karen doon? Parang ano? Hindi, pero sabi doon, ay, birthday mo November 21.
Yan.
Okay, go. Ay, birthday ko November 21. Birthday mo November 21? Oo. Birthday ko rin yun. Okay, Karen, small. God lang. Small daw din daw si Anina. Pakabigyan na lang Gucci. Ay, Philip! Si Philip! Tawagin niyo, Philip! Si Philip! Ano? Philip!
We are in because we will go order. And there is a football team.
Ang galing-galing.
Tapos na siya. Sabi niya na miss daw niya yung
After work. After class shenanigans.
Oo, yung kita tayo, ganyan. Titingin ako ng sale sa shop. Pero parang hindi pa sila naka-sale. Pero titingin ako ng boots.
I'm not sure.
So, eto, medyo nice to. Natatanggal naman yung parang belt. So, tignan natin kung magsi-sale. Sabi kasi ni Tim, para akong rockstar daw pag ganyan. Pero, nice din siya. Or ganito, yung parang ganyan. Gusto ko kasi ng heel. Tapos, natatanggal naman to. Sana mag-sale. Ito na yung mga choices nila sa mga boots. Actually, madami ng pang winter. Pero hindi pa sale. Ito din, may mga ganyan. Oo, sige. Yay! I'm so excited to eat. Team. So Mexican. Grabe. I'm so excited.
Us?
Yes, go eat. So, quesadillas, suadero, tinga de pollo. I think this is spicy. And ganun din sila. Ang sarap! Grabe.
Ayaw niya yung ano.
Yay! Black Friday sale. We're going to check something. Meron na silang mga sale.
Alam mo, gusto ko headphones. Kasi,
Si Tim din.
share ko lang. Kasi yung headphones ko, binilan kasi ako ng headphones ng tatay ko sa Pilipinas. Sony pa yun, ang ganda-ganda. Tapos,
Oo,
dahil
naalala ko na.
tatanga-tanga ako, alam mo, naiwan ko talaga sa bahay.
Ano ba
Naalala ko,
yan?
papunta na kami ng airport.
Ito, headphones. Gusto din yan ni Tim.
Magkano?
Our one and only decoration. Dapat sa loob yan, pero nakita namin yung kapitbahay. May ano sa labas.
Mas meron pa sa loob.
Christmas tree. Sabi niya, sige nga, lagay din natin. So, nilagay namin sa labas. Ito yung binili ko dati na pare-parehas kami nila Jana. And look at this one. Nangyayari ito sa kamay ko. Like every winter, ganyan. Nagpa-brown siya, nagda-dry yung skin. Kailangan talaga mag-lotion, ganyan. Kasi cold yung water sa school. So, shower muna and all. Kasi kakawi lang namin. Good morning. So, I'm here waiting at the bus stop. Just waiting for my bus. I'm going to school an hour early because they need my help for the field trip of 1st and 3rd grade. Oh my god. Can you see it? Grabe, because it's so cold. And surprisingly and weirdly, it's colder sa south. I mean, it's cold here in the center in Madrid. Pero sa south, windier. Grabe yung wind and all that. So yun, napasok ako ng mas maaga today. So I will also end an hour early because they need me on the field trip. I think today they're going to watch Peter Pan and the bus is here.
¡Más nos espera! ¡Sí!
So, I'm here na sa house ng private ko. This will be quick, 1 hour lang. Yeah. The view on the way home, it's so nice because in our area, in our house, it was so gloomy and look at this. Well, it's much brighter in this area. Yeah. So beautiful to look at, you know? After a long day, you walk home. Well, not walk home, like you're on the way home and the sky is so beautiful. Naghihintay kami ng opening ng mag-Black Friday lang talaga dapat kami. Tapos timing na i-open pa lang. Alam ba ng magulang mo? Ah, okay. Hindi naman pala yan si John. Ayun na! Biglang nagon! Ano
Walang silbi.
Nagchichikahan kami, tapos biglang nag-on. Wala man lang pa. 1, 2, 3, gano'n.
Mas may trail pa yung pag-on sa UST.
Nakabuti pa, may trip mo na nagbibilang sila.
Biglang nag-on. Nagulat na lang kami. Ano ba yan? Zara going crazy. Grabe. Tignan niyo, oh, 40% off pero ang haba sales. Fit ako ng boots tapos hindi nice yung fit, ganyan. Tapos yung isa ko pang gusto, wala nang size. So, baka hindi meant to be. Titingin na kami sa ibang store. Uy, in fairness naman, this wala kami masyado nabili. Parang ito lang yung sa akin. Then John as well, and si Chris. Tsaka ganyan, tinago. Unlike nung last year, namili talaga kami last year. Oo, medyo, tas yung sale nung iba, parang 20, 40, gano'n. Hindi siya 50-50, as in like 50 talaga. Tsaka hindi siya for everything. Usually parang selected, ang tawag dun? Selected items only, ganyan. So, magdi-dinner kami ngayon, and look! Nagmamadali na kami kasi gutom na kami. Pero na-on na yung tree and may Christmas market na din. Pero dito for, more on goodies than food, no? Right? Yeah. Cute. And the candles are lit as well. They're fake. Yeah, walang food dito sa Christmas market na to. Ay, pagod na ako. Look. Pero wala nang, parang hindi na siya nakabox unlike last year na may pila. all. Pero close na yung market. Kasi tingnan nyo to, mas maganda pa to kasi doon sa inabangan namin kanina. Simple but elegant. See you on the next vlog. Bye!